In last video, we had studied about Karl Pearson's correlation coefficient. Now, let's move on to rank correlation method. This method is also known as Spearman's rank correlation coefficient. Now, we have studied this Karl Pearson coefficient correlation, wherein we can calculate coefficient and see the relation between variable x and variable y. Now, in this case, in rank correlation method or Spearman's rank correlation coefficient, again we are going to find relation between variable x and variable y. But this method is used whenever we don't have quantitative data. For example, suppose you are comparing beauty. Now, in case of beauty, it is not possible to give quantitative value, or in other case, suppose you are comparing beauty with intelligence. Now, in such cases, it is not possible to give some quantitative value. So, what we can do is, we can give the ranks. We can judge beauty or intelligence based on merits. And in this case, we are going to use those ranks and find relation between variable x and variable y. So, this Spearman rank correlation coefficient is denoted by letter rho. It is given as 1 minus 6 times sigma d square upon n into n square minus 1. This d is nothing but rank of variable x and rank of variable y, the variables which you are comparing. Now, let's look at one example. Here we have to calculate Spearman's rank correlation coefficient between advertisement cost and sales. So, these are the values given. These are the 10 values given of advertisement cost and sales. Now, first thing, since we are finding Spearman's rank correlation coefficient, the first and foremost thing is we have to find ranks. So, denoting rank by small x and small y. We have used capital X and capital Y for advertisement and sales for variables. Now, we are using small x and small y for ranks. Small x for rank of x, that is advertisement, and small y for ranks of sales. Now, we have to look for the highest value. Now, in case of x, your highest value is 98. So, this will get rank 1. Now, second highest value is 90. So, this will get rank 2. Third one is 82. So, this will get rank 3. Now, fourth one, that is 78. So, this will get rank 4. Fifth one is 75. So, rank of this will be 5. Next is 65. So, this will get rank 6. Next one is 62. So, it will get 7. Next, after 62, we have 39. This will get rank 8. After 39, we have 36. So, 9, and the last one is 25. So, this will get rank 10. Okay. Similarly, we have to rank values of sales, that is variable y. Now, in variable y, the highest value is again 91. This will get rank 1. Now, second highest value is 86. So, this will get rank 2. Third highest value in this case is 84. So, this will get rank 3. After 84, we have 68. So, this will get rank 4. After 68, we have 62. So, this will get rank 5. Then, after 62, we have 60. So, rank 6. After 60, we have 58. So, 7. After 58, 53, rank 8, then 51, and last is 47. Okay, so we are done with assigning ranks. Now let's come back to formula. So what is rho? It is 1 minus 6 times summation of squares of differences of ranks upon n into n square minus 1. Let me write this formula again. Rho is given as 1 minus 6 times summation of d square upon n times n square minus 1. These are the observations. So first we need to find d, and d is nothing but differences of ranks. So we have to subtract this. So 8 minus 10 minus 2, this will be again minus 2, 0, 0, minus 2, 1, 4, 0, 0 and 1. Now next thing, what we need is summation of d square, that is squares of the differences. So let's find what are the squares of this. So here we have 4, 4, 0, 0, 4, 1, 16, 0, 0 and 1. Let's add all this. So after adding all this, what we are getting is 30. The summation of d square is 3, 0. Let's substitute back. This will be 1 minus 6 times 30 upon n times n square minus 1, that is we have total 10 observations. So this will be 10 and 10 square minus 1. Okay, I am writing it here. This will be 1 minus 6 into 30 upon 10 into 100 minus 1. So this will be 180 upon 10 into 99. So here again we have 18 upon 99. So here what we are getting is 1 minus 0.1818. After subtracting you will get approximately 0.82. So in this case rank correlation coefficient is 0.82.